My name is Brian Geary. I am the judge of the 397th District Court here in Grayson County, Texas. I wanted to do this brief video and put it on our court YouTube channel so some of you would have an idea about what to expect during court procedures in the near to immediate future. As you're aware, the governor of the state of Texas has declared an emergency because of the coronavirus. Some counties have been hit harder than others, and some are still experiencing more sickness and illness to come. Accordingly, the Office of Court Administration, the Texas Supreme Court, and the presiding judges of Texas have asked courts to adopt different procedures and dictated certain guidelines that we have to follow in the immediate future so that we can try to deal with legal issues while still facing the coronavirus pandemic. I wanted to give you a little brief overview of some of that so some of you would have an idea of what to expect. They've broken them down into essential hearings and non-essential hearings. On essential hearings, the court will go forward. There might be hearings in person. If they can be done remotely, they will be done remotely. But essential type hearings are criminal hearings or criminal matters involving jailed defendants, involves magistration of arrested and jailed persons. It also involves family emergencies, CPS cases, protective orders, things of that nature. Everything else, civil, family, and otherwise, are deemed non-essential. We will continue to conduct court and have hearings on essential matters. Anytime we have a hearing in person, there will be no more than 10 people allowed in a gathering area or in the courtroom. What that means to you for purposes of a hearing: the judge will be there, a bailiff will be there, and a court reporter will be there. That means there can't be more than 7 people in terms of parties, lawyers, and witnesses. So as you can see, that's going to limit what we can do somewhat in person in any event. However, some of those will go on because there are certain things that we have to get done, which the presiding judges have deemed as essential matters. However, with non-essential matters, we're going to try to do things a little bit differently. We're going to be using Zoom, which is a video meeting program or application, which is used by a lot of businesses and schools already for people to have video meetings. That's what I'm using right now to record this video. We will coordinate through our coordinator and office staff with those of you who want to be able to have a hearing, and we will do our best to try to figure out a way to conduct such a hearing with the judge being the host and linking in parties, lawyers, and witnesses from remote locations. It's going to be new to us. I'm a little old to be playing with this new technology, but if you bear with us, I think we're going to figure out that it's a pretty good way for us to handle things that need to be handled. Of course, it's not going to replace a live hearing, and we're going to try to postpone as many things as we can into May. But on certain matters that need to be heard, that a judge can agree to give a party a hearing on, we're going to try to use Zoom. The way we're going to keep that open to the public is that there's going to be a link to a YouTube channel. So anytime that we're doing a courtroom proceeding using Zoom, the video app, it will be streaming live on a YouTube channel so that just like if you'd have come down here to the courthouse, you could watch it on that YouTube channel. But if you want to watch those, you're going to need to be watching while it's live, just like you would if you came down to the courthouse. That also means that we're going to have a YouTube channel, which is where this video is posted. We're outlining the procedures. The things I'm talking about in much more detail can be found on the Grayson County website. If you go to the website, go to the drop-down menu on directory, go to courts, then you'll see a page for each individual district court. We will have instructions, district court procedures for the COVID-19 virus, I believe is the title. But if you hyperlink on that, you can print out a copy of those, and there'll be much more detail than what I'm giving you right now. But there will be explanations of how we intend to proceed, the things you need to do, things about using documents as exhibits during Zoom hearings, the procedures and the manner we will expect parties and non-parties to follow. So I urge you, if you intend to conduct any business in the district courts in Grayson County, to read that document, become familiar with it, and make sure you can try to follow those procedures while we're dealing with the coronavirus. Our staff will be more than happy to help you. Our phone number is 903-813-4311. Feel free to contact my office at that number. My coordinator's name is Jennifer Trusty. My bailiff's name is William May. They're very helpful. But be patient with us. We're trying to learn this as we go as well. We fully intend to be able to conduct legal business for Grayson County even during these trying times. Thank you.